Hello, we're here at Marwell Zoo conducting a waste composition analysis. It's a hands-on study that helps us to understand exactly what's going into the bins on site. Step one is to do a site walkthrough where we look at the waste signage, the bin placements and how waste is being disposed of day to day. Next, we take a sample of waste and we physically sort this by hand. This allows us to see exactly what is in the bin, from recyclables that could have been recovered to contamination. Each waste stream is then weighed and recorded. Having this data helps us to identify common issues such as misplaced recyclables, contamination or divertible streams. After the waste composition analysis, we compile the data into a clear report for our customers. It highlights waste habits that could be improved, shows opportunities to recycle more, and even points out potential cost savings. This level of detail gives our customers clear, actionable insight for how to make improvements. By understanding Marwell Zoo's waste, we will work together to make improvements where necessary. A waste composition analysis isn't about pointing out problems. It's about finding out opportunities, and we can do the same for your business.